Hey guys, just a little update, some additions made to the pit. Yeah, just the usual Warthog throttle, but rolling a Steam Deck now. Extra handy for those buttons I don't have on the instrument panel. Or LCD screens, so you can change whatever you want on them, whatever displays. I've got lower and right and left MFDs, DDIs, whatever. They are whatever state they are in the game. Labeling on them changes on the Stream Deck as well. If you're really getting into DCS and you don't have a lot of switches, I recommend getting one of these. Bloody handy for entering waypoints, setting up your autopilot, etc. Radio channels. Uploaded this setup on Eco Dynamics user files. In case anybody wants a copy of them, modify them, do what you need to them. Like even hitting the rearm instantly takes you straight to rearm panel without even go through the menu. Definitely recommend the larger 32 button. And we've got our bit of homemade hook and landing gear. And we've got the landing gear, the LED in the end to light up, match the sim. You always tell whether you're near to air, near to ground. RWR displays AI or SAM in these panels, or the others depending on what threat's locking you. It's a nice visual warning. The ECM. Tricky ones with DCS BIOS if you're running it. There's the lasers and the FLIR FLIR camera switch. Those are all playing up in DCS BIOS. Hit me up if you need to know which codes to change, numbers to get these to function. But you're flicking the NFLR one and it was making FLIR move, etc. These buttons were all mixed up and not working well with each other from the standard Lua script that's on there. Yeah, it's definitely coming along a bit better, and the flow of operating everything is getting a bit easier. Cheers.